Uninvited guest, the USA specialist, the Federal Bureau of Investigations, FBI.
And several Elizabethtown banks are reporting a surge in scams.
Now to a scam alert, a Kentucky business owner is warning others.
Kentucky State Police say scam calls are on the rise.
The Kentucky Cabinet for Health and Family Services has received nearly 200 theft complaints since October 2nd.
Thanks, Rick. More than 21,000 Kentuckians were scammed last year.
Yeah, nearly $52.5 million was lost to fraud. That's the amount reported to the Federal Trade Commission.
If there's a red flag, hang up the phone and call your local circuit clerk's office.
The Kentucky Attorney General says the scam email is personalized.
Late 2020 into early 2021, while the world was battling with COVID-19, something else was quietly brewing in the city of Kentucky. A storm of complaints began to flood in. Citizens were speaking out, claiming that they were being scammed and robbed by the government. At first, the US brushed it off as internet noise, but then more reports, complaints, and evidence regarding this news came out. The kind of evidence too real and too loud to ignore. And then, to put more gas on the fire. This was the same time the US made headlines for arresting Hush Puppy, Nigerian infamous luxury scammer, as he attempted to siphon billions from the COVID-19 relief funds. A similar case. This was a wake-up call. The FBI wasn't going to make the same mistake twice. The Cybercrime Division of the FBI launched a full-scale operation. No more warning, no more delay. Behind the scenes, the agency began connecting the dots, tracking IP address, payment trails, online activities, and more. Kentucky wasn't facing a random fraud. It was part of something much bigger.
And New York is known to have the highest number of pedophiles, but due to these scammers have been preying on them for a long time, so most of the pedophiles in New York seems to be smart, but the persons from Kentucky, I don't know what's wrong with these guys. They are very, very lustful, so they are always they're the ones that are always wanting to have sex with these younger teens, like from the 14, 15 to 16. And so due to these scammers have identified their lust and they are preying on their lust. So, but why wouldn't they? Because these pedophiles are supposed to be arrested. Like when they are identified by these scammers, they are supposed to be reported and they are arrested. But what they're doing now is, okay, they're scamming them. So if you want to know how this is being done and how to pull these scams successfully, then watch this video to the very end, and I'll be showing you how this is done using Snapchat. Alright, so what you're gonna do is you have to get a new first of all, you need to have a Cash App, and you need to sign up on Cash App. I wouldn't want to issue. It wouldn't be nice to use your own main Cash App to receive in these funds. So you're gonna use you're gonna create a new Cash App with the profile of whoever you're gonna be using to pull this scam. Alright, so you make a new Cash App just with the name. Then when you get these payments, you can send it to your own main Cash App, or you can just withdraw this. Alright, so what you're gonna do is you get open a new Cash App account, use your Bitmoji, maybe a younger teen girl with a brown hair, or brown hair, white skin. Then you go to either Instagram or Twitter to get the photos of a teenage girl, younger, someone within the age range of 13, 14, 15, shouldn't be more than 16. Should be around 16, yeah, at most 16. Then you get, I would suggest you go to Instagram, because Instagram you're gonna easily to have more, hot, sexy looking photos on Instagram and also on Twitter, on Twitter, known as X currently. So that's where you're gonna get those photos. So you get this cash up. So when you've gotten the cash up ready, gotten the photos ready, then make your Snapchat account. Then with a younger looking Bitmoji that looks feminine, very, very feminine. Then what you're gonna do now, so when you sign up on Snapchat will want to ask you to give them access to your contact list. Tell them no, don't grant Snapchat that permission to your contact list. Then don't grant them access to your contact list. Then once you're done creating the account without granting them access to your contact list, then you start adding elderly men from Kentucky. Start adding them. Just search for the name, search for elderly, honey, pedophile, whatever keyword that you want to use is going to bring this men to you. And they should be the elderly ones, for instance, the ones from age 30, 40, 50, 60. Yeah, these lonely men. You see those lonely men that have nothing doing, just staying like lonely, idle, lazy men. You start adding them. So these are the persons. This should be your main target. You start adding those men, start adding them. Yeah, do this for like 1 hour, 2 hours, 3 hours. Keep adding them. Then once you're done adding these men, then some of them will start accepting your request. So when they start accepting your request, then maybe do this like for 2 days or 3 days. This is how you build your list, and Snapchat will start suggesting these men to you and also start suggesting your profile to these men, because these are the persons you are adding. You'll be adding them on this one, and these are maybe they have seen. So the algorithm have seen that these are the persons you are interested in, and so they'll start showing you these men, and at the same time also start showing you to them. Then this is how you start chatting with these pedophiles. You start chatting with them, yeah. Start texting, capitalize on their loss, capitalize on, because most of them just want to have sex. Capitalize on their loss, capitalize on their area of interest, and start engaging them with chats. Yeah, start texting them, naughty and lustful. Yeah, because these are what they're interested in. So most of them now they want to hang up with you. They want to have intimacy with you. They want to, see you one-on-one, and they just want to have sex. So since your target audience are in Kentucky, so most of these men are going to be in Kentucky, then so you really want to first ask them where they are located. Don't let them ask you first, where are you staying? Let them be the one to ask them where are they staying. So when they tell you they're in Kentucky, any of the cities in Kentucky, tell them that is the same city where you are. So they will know that you are very, very interested in, and you want to have sex with them. Or they will say like a honey teen, they want to have sex. So tell them that you're in the same place. So they will want to meet you, so they will tell you to come over. So when they tell you that you should come, tell them your service ends free. Yeah, tell them you're not doing this for free and you charge for this. So, and since they are in the same state with them, they are willing to pay. You charge them maybe $500, or depending on whatever you guys agree on, but don't charge them less than $500 to $300. Yeah, charge from $500, start with $500, and they are willing to pay. So when this person sends this payment to the cash app you've created, move the money from the cash app to your main cash app or your bank or wherever, and block them. So when you've taken this payment, block them, clear the chats, block them everywhere, block them, and leave no traces. And continue doing this. More and more of the contacts you build, and in a day you're making 5K to 7K in a day.